So we have a lot of tomatoes left. I'll be harvesting today. So this will be our fall tomato harvest. There's a lot inside the vines there. Some Sweet 100, Sun Gold. I think back here I've got some more of the Bonnie's Best. There's a lot of green ones as well. I'll be harvesting those also. I think some of them are actually starting to rot since it's gotten cold. And there's a few tomato volunteers that I did not have time to stake up on a trellis. So I think these are the Great Juliets. And I'm just going to go and harvest them green, maybe make some fried green tomatoes, or let them ripen inside. Since the vines are on the ground, they're more likely to just rot and waste. Maybe I'll give some to the chickens. Here's our fall tomato harvest. Lots of green ones here that will be ripening inside. I also got some of the Galapagos Island tomatoes. I had a couple of volunteer plants. They were kind of in the shade, so they didn't produce as well as they did last year. Look how cute these are. These are more of our tart tomato, and they're native to the Galapagos Island. So this is a Great Juliet that was also a volunteer and was in the shade, so looks like we'll be ripening those as well. Bonnie's Best, a medium-sized tomato, although one of them, or a couple of them, got pretty big. Tons of cherry tomatoes, Super 100s and Sun Golds. It looks like I'll be sharing some more tomatoes with family and friends.